Are you looking for the best compact blender? In this video, we will show 6 best compact blender. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. Portable blender for smoothies, shakes, food prep, and frozen blending. 700-watt base, 2 16-ounce cups, and spout lids. Brand: Ninja. Color: black. Special feature: compact, pour spout, pulse technology. Capacity: 16 fluid ounces. Pulse technology. The powerful 700-watt push-to-blend motor base powers through everything in the cup for the best of Ninja blending, serving as a juicer, smoothie blender, milkshake maker, and more. Nutrient extraction. Unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and veggies, blending even the portions that are usually discarded. Extract a nutritious drink with this portable juicer. Frozen blending. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, shakes, and more. The mini blender replaces the juicer machines, ice crusher, and more. Compact and simple. So compact that it fits on any countertop. With intuitive, easy-to-use controls, it's the go-to personal blender for shakes and smoothies. On-the-go convenience. Blend directly in the 16-ounce single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid and enjoy your creations on the go with this convenient portable blender. Easy to clean. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe for added convenience and peace of mind. The powerful personal blender is designed to fit your lifestyle and your kitchen. Number 2. Ninja Nutri Pro Single-Serve Blender for smoothies, salsa, shakes, and frozen drinks. Includes 2 smoothie pups and lids. Crushes ice, fruit, and veggies. Brand: Ninja. Included components: 2 24-ounce single-serve cups, 2 spout lids, 1000 peak watt motor base, inspiration guide with 20 recipes, instruction booklet, Pro Extractor Blades assembly. Color: Cloud Silver. Special feature: 2 preset Auto IQ programs for one-touch processing. Automatic start and stop. Blend inside the 24-ounce single-serve cups and take on the go with spout lids. Blender parts are dishwasher-safe and BPA-free. Pro Extractor Blades crush ice, whole fruits, and veggies. Capacity: 24 fluid ounces. Ultimate power. 1000 peak watt motor powers through the toughest ingredients and pulverizes ice to snow in seconds for creamy frozen drinks, smoothies, sauces, and more. Number 3. Magic Bullet Blender. Small, silver, 11-piece set. Brand: Magic Bullet. Color: silver. Special feature: compact, dishwasher safe, lightweight, single serve. Capacity: 250 fluid ounces. Included: 1 250-watt motor base, 1 crossblade, 1 tall cup, 1 short cup, 1 party mug, 2 lip rings, 2 Stay Fresh resealable lids, 1 to-go lid, and 10-second recipe guide. The Magic Bullet chops, mixes, blends, whips, grinds, and more. Cups are made out of high-impact plastic. Effortlessly create your favorite meals and snacks like smoothies, omelets, sauces, and dips. 250 watts high-torque power base. Included recipe book gets you started making quick, easy, and delicious dishes from appetizers to desserts. Add 1/2 cup water for smooth blend for vegetables. Number 4. Sangcon 1000W Smoothie Blender for Kitchen. Blenders for smoothies with 3 cups, 2 spout covers, 1 storage cap, 1 to-go cap, portable blender for shakes, ice crushing, Frozen drinks, spices. Brand, Sangcon. Color, black. Special feature, compact, multiple attachments, portable, radial cooling fan, thermal protection system. Capacity, 700 milliliters. 1000-watt motor and 6-blade extractor. Sangcon blenders for smoothies features a 1000-watt motor and upgraded 6-leaf stainless steel blades. Press down for manual pulse or twist to lock, perfect for chopping, blending, mixing, and grinding. The smoothie blender crushes ice, makes shakes, baby food, sauces, dips, jams, soups, and purees, and grinds coffee or spices. Compact yet powerful, one unit replaces a juicer, smoothie maker, baby food maker, and pulse mixer. Upgraded cooling and durable design. Built with reinforced 6-blade assembly, advanced cooling system, and a powerful fan, Sangcon blenders for kitchen easily crushes ice and handles nuts, seeds, and kale with high efficiency. The T-shaped sealing ring prevents leaks, the strengthened gear base reduces wear, and anti-slip feet keep blending stable, longer lasting than traditional blenders. Multi-cup travel set. Includes a 24-ounce 700 milliliter juice cup, 17-ounce 500 ml smoothie cup, and 10-ounce 300 ml grinder cup, portable lid, handle ring, solid lid, and sip ring. All BPA-free and safe. Perfect as a protein shake blender for gym, a juice blender for office or classroom, and a travel-friendly portable blender. Number 5. Ninja BC151BK Blast Portable Blender. Cordless, 18-ounce vessel personal blender for shakes and smoothies. BPA-free, leak-proof lid and sip spout. USB-C rechargeable, dishwasher-safe parts, black. Brand, Ninja. Color, black. Special feature, cordless, dishwasher-safe, lightweight, portable, removable blade. Capacity, 18 fluid ounces. Ninja blending anywhere. Blast through frozen ingredients with Ninja's best portable blending power. Make perfectly smooth drinks anywhere you go. Large capacity. Makes up to 18 ounces of your favorite blends. Premium colors. Choose a color that best fits your style. Easy to carry. Take your drink on the go with a comfortable hinged carry handle. Sip lid. Easy open sip lid lets you blend and drink in the same vessel. Easy to clean. The lid and vessel are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. The blender can also self-clean with a 30-second blend cycle with water and a drop of dish soap. Ninja Blast technology. The ribbed vessel creates a vortex while the durable stainless steel blast-a-blade assembly blasts through ice and frozen ingredients. Number 6. Magic Bullet Blender. Small, black, 11-piece set. Brand, Magic Bullet. Color, black. Special feature, compact, dishwasher safe, lightweight, single serve. The Magic Bullet lets you blend, mix, and chop your favorite foods in seconds. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. High-torque 250-watt motor powers the machine's versatility. There's no limit to the sauces, dips, drinks, and snacks you can create. Included, one 250W motor base, one cross blade, one tall cup, one short cup, one party mug, 2 lip rings, 2 Stay Fresh resealable lids, and 1 to-go lid and 10-second recipe guide. Crossblade is made from stainless steel and cups are made from super durable BPA-free. Hassle-free cleaning. Simply twist off the blade, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the top rack of the dishwasher. This item comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Included components: cook's tools, cream makers and chargers, electric blenders. Item includes 10-piece cook set and 1 recipe guide.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.